What if I told you that premature aging isn't inevitable? The secret to radiant, youthful-looking skin is simpler than you think. It's all about the right skincare habits and natural ingredients. Let's uncover the top anti-aging skincare secrets to keep your skin glowing and healthy for years to come. Welcome to the Healthy Hippie Spot. If you've ever looked in the mirror and worried about fine lines, wrinkles, or dull skin creeping up faster than they should, you're not alone. Premature aging is a concern for many, but the good news is that it can often be slowed or even reversed with the right skincare and lifestyle habits. In today's Healthy Hippie Spot video, we're going over some of the best anti-aging skincare, secrets to help you maintain a youthful, glowing complexion. From powerful natural ingredients to must-know beauty tips, you'll learn everything you need to protect your skin and support skin rejuvenation. But as usual, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you're serious about aging gracefully and uncovering the best skincare tips. Your support helps us bring you wellness tips to enhance your healthy lifestyle. Now, let's start by understanding what premature aging really is. As we age, our skin naturally loses elasticity, collagen, and hydration. But factors like sun exposure, poor skincare habits, and an unhealthy lifestyle can speed up this process, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots earlier than expected. The key to preventing premature aging is focusing on wrinkle prevention and maintaining a skincare routine that protects and nourishes your skin. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference. A good anti-aging skincare routine starts with 3 essential steps: cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting. Gentle cleansing. Use a natural, gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Harsh cleansers can lead to dryness and irritation, accelerating aging. Look for cleansers with hydrating ingredients like aloe vera or hyaluronic acid. Deep moisturizing. As we age, our skin's ability to retain moisture decreases, making a good moisturizer essential. Choose one with ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, or shea butter to keep your skin plump and hydrated. The sun protection. The sun is one of the biggest culprits behind premature aging. Make sunscreen your daily essential. Yes, even on cloudy days. Look for a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher to protect against both UVA and UVB rays. Sun protection is your best defense against wrinkles, age spots, and skin damage. Nature offers some incredible tools to support healthy skin and slow aging. Here are a few must-have natural ingredients to incorporate into your skincare routine. Vitamin C. This antioxidant powerhouse brightens the skin, reduces dark spots, and boosts collagen production. Apply a vitamin C serum in the morning for glowing, youthful skin. Retinol. Derived from vitamin A, retinol helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by speeding up cell turnover. Use it at night as part of your anti-aging skincare routine, but always follow up with sunscreen during the day. Green tea extract. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, green tea extract helps reduce redness and fight free radicals that contribute to aging. Look for moisturizers or masks containing this rejuvenating ingredient. Rosehip oil. Packed with essential fatty acids and antioxidants, rosehip oil is a natural skincare hero that promotes hydration and reduces the appearance of scars and fine lines. Healthy skin isn't just about what you put on your face, it's also about how you live. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can significantly improve skin rejuvenation and keep you looking your best. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin hydrated from the inside out, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and dryness. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Eat a skin-healthy diet. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, and nuts can help protect your skin from damage. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds are also great for maintaining elasticity and a healthy glow. Prioritize sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest each night. This gives your skin time to recover from daily stressors. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can lead to premature aging by increasing cortisol levels, which break down collagen. Incorporate wellness tips like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to keep stress at bay. Here are a few more skincare tips to enhance your routine and support wrinkle prevention. Exfoliate regularly. Gentle exfoliation removes dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover, leaving your skin brighter and smoother. Use a mild exfoliant 1-2 times a week. Don't forget your neck and hands. These areas often show signs of aging faster than your face. Extend your skincare routine to your neck and hands, applying moisturizer and sunscreen daily. Use a night cream. Night creams are specifically formulated to work with your skin's natural repair process. Look for ones containing peptides or retinol for an extra boost. A good skincare routine doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a simple plan to follow. 1. Morning routine. Cleanser. Vitamin C serum. Moisturizer. Sunscreen. 2. Evening routine. Cleanser. Retinol or night cream. Moisturizer. Consistency is key. Stick to your routine, and you'll start to see improvements in the texture, tone, and overall appearance of your skin. To recap, premature aging doesn't have to be your reality. By incorporating simple skincare habits, powerful natural ingredients, and a healthy lifestyle, you can maintain youthful, glowing skin for years to come. Start with the basics: gentle cleansing, deep moisturizing, and daily sunscreen, and build from there with targeted ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, and rosehip oil. Remember, healthy skin is a reflection of your overall wellness, so staying hydrated, eating a nutritious diet, and managing stress are just as important as the products you use. Thank you for watching. If you're excited to try these skincare tips, let us know in the comments which ones you're adding to your routine. Or, if you have your own favorite anti-aging secrets, we'd love to hear them. Share your routine in the comments. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare and wellness tips. Up next, we'll explore what experts agree is the best heart-healthy diet. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss it, and we'll see you in the next video.